straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. So just fuck me like a side boy.
Hey everyone, good afternoon. This is Marielle again, and today is Sunday and I'm gonna run some errands. So I'm gonna go to the grocery. While going there, I'm gonna teach you some basics on how to drive a manual car. So this is just a basic, so I will not give you the full details because I'm planning to create a separate video on how to drive a manual car with all the details that you need to know. So for now, we are just gonna do some errands and yeah, drive with me. Okay, so as you can see, we are already inside the car. This is a manual transmission car. So my gears are composed of 5 gears. We have gear 1, gear 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it's really very small because this is just a petite car. So it's a hatchback kind of car. So see, my gears are very small. And then we have here the handbrake. And this one is the radio. This one is the speed. And also here is I can't see clearly, the gas. Before you turn on your car, you need to make sure that your gears are in neutral mode. So when I say neutral mode, it is in between it's here, it's in the middle, in between gears 1, 3, 5 and 2, 4 and reverse. So it must be neutral, and then every time you shift to another gear, you need to step on the clutch. Excuse my feet. Here, the clutch is right here, so you need to step on this one before you shift gear to first gear, second gear, so on and so forth. So every time you change gear, you need to step on the clutch first before shifting the gears. I will provide you with another video with the full details on how to drive a manual car. So right now, I hope you'll enjoy going with me.
Tired of the way that you feel. Is it real?
Driving a manual car, you need to make sure that every time you change gear, you need to press or step on the clutch, because your engine will be damaged whenever you forget to step on the clutch every time you change gear. So it's a necessity. And every time you step on the brake, for you to halt or to stop, you must step on the clutch as well. Difficult part whenever you're driving a manual car is the uphill. Yeah, the uphill. Whenever you are driving on an uphill, and then you need to quite some time you need to stop because you need to apply what we call as the half clutch. When you are looking for the biting point, because whenever you half clutch, you need to look for the biting point of your clutch. So traffic. I'm gonna turn right.
Is it real? It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know
Manual cars have three pedals: the clutch, the brake, and the accelerator. You need to be familiar in using these three because knowing each of their functions will play an important part on your driving strategy, wherein you will know when to use them, when to combine them, or when to step on them with a given timing. Driving a manual car is quite challenging, but with constant practice, you can say that it is quite easy and understandable. Another challenge when you're driving is the parking. Parking is really very challenging. I think there's a vacant lot over there.
Oh yeah.
There's a vacant over there, so yeah. Okay. When you park, you must be a master of estimate. You must know how to estimate your car. You need to balance your gears, your foot. You need to balance your clutch and your accelerator. You need to balance as well as your steering wheel.
Oh yeah.
And we're almost there. Proper estimate. And dang, we're done. Finally arrived. Don't forget your handbrakes. Okay, so we're already here, and my echo bag is ready. Grocery shopping going on. Let's start with the vegetable area. Which should I pick? Watermelon or papaya? I'll go with the papaya. Next is the Korean products area because I love Korean noodles. Let's pick the Korean chapaghetti. So yummy. I need butter. Smooth like butter, like a criminal like no other. Char lang. I'll pick the cheaper one. Oh, shucks, it fell off. Which one should I buy? Now, junk foods time. Cheetos. I'm looking for the Cheetos. I rarely buy this kind of junk foods because it's really very expensive. It's so expensive. Yet I'm looking for the Cheetos, but I couldn't find one, so I think I will buy. But I'm on a budget, so I'll pick the local and the cheaper ones. Oh, read this. I like it. I also like Bingo. It's my favorite snack. Popcorn is also my favorite. But before I'll go, I will give you a short tour around the place. This is the Oak Ridge Commercial Center located in AS Fortuna, Cebu City. Let's go to Watson's. This is another park in between the buildings. You can also bring your pets and take them for a walk. There is a park at the center where you can chill and relax. And there are many alfresco or open area dining restaurants and food hubs. Alright guys, so it's already 5 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon and I'm already done with my errands. And again, I'm driving back towards my house as I go home. So thank you for watching this vlog and I hope you enjoyed it, even though how simple it is. And please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more videos soon. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned also.